What's good, family? It's your girl Keisha and Mel. I'm Keisha,
I'm Mel.
and welcome to our channel.
I walk in a fat woman's shoes. What's funny?
Anyway,
What's funny?
because you always do that. Everybody know what this channel is when they tuned into it.
How? If they knew how they know that.
Well, if you're new, this is a walk in a fat woman's shoes. You're happy? Anyway, tonight we have a seafood platter.
My phone on the floor.
We have a seafood platter
Hey, watch my
on
uniform.
tonight's menu. And what we have is some deep fried mussels. We have some deep fried lobster tails, some super colossal shrimp, and some catfish and onion rings. And that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. We also have some tartar sauce and some cocktail sauce. We have our waters on deck, but I'm trying this new water called Smart Water. I just want to see, I just want to see what the hype is about it. And we have the cuss over there, but I don't think we're gonna need it. Anyway, that's it. You ready? God is good, God is great. Thank you for the meal about to receive. Bless your holy name, bless the prayers of the meal. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, so what's going on with you guys tonight? Let us know what y'all eating, and if y'all eating with us. Let us know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods.
Put this like this for a reason, like
Presentation.
like that's your lobster. Or...
Yeah, this is mine. Mine broke. My poor lobster broke. Let me get some of these. I had been doing some QCing and everything.
QC.
So, yeah, some quality control, and you know how that be. Okay, I'm gonna just. Yeah, I'm gonna go for 4. It's not gonna hurt nothing. All right. So,
Hey,
what's good with y'all? Let me taste this water right quick.
I gave him my plate to go reheat because it's ice.
It's water. It's water.
How y'all?
Well,
I'm messing with you. Or maybe I'm not.
Okay.
How y'all doing? How was y'all day? What the weather like? I don't know none of that. I know my day was alright. I don't know what the weather is. That mother was crunchy as all heck.
I double.
I felt like you was trying to pull my teeth out.
I like my onion rings crunchy, baby.
There's a line. There's a line. Thank you.
30. Thank you. I like them crunchy, so this is the double fried, double dipped, and double fried mussel. And this is the mussel that's just fried in flour.
I know it's gonna be asked, so let me see if I want to tell you what it's called. No, I don't think I do. I guess I put that in there. I've been double dipping even though I didn't dip at all.
Hey.
What vegetables? Like you could do some potatoes in the grease.
onion.
Really?
There you go.
But I guess you're right though, huh?
There you go.
Some bell peppers. Jalapenos.
Super colossal.
I got a review coming up. Y'all ain't gonna believe it.
Alonzo made me take all of the batter off his shrimp. And I don't like that. I'm pretty sure y'all know
It's hot.
I cooked all this because y'all know if Big Baby would have cooked this, it wouldn't have been fried.
What that supposed to mean?
It'd have been fried.
Really?
Except for the fish.
You really gonna talk about me like that?
That's not nothing bad, baby.
And like Eliza told me in my face.
Yeah, he drunk a cold drink. And she's like, you just gonna drink my cold drink like that? He went, in your face. Like, really, little dude? But don't nothing be yesterday. We was in Walmart. And Mel asked me for something. And I'm like, I don't know. I don't know where it is. Let me call one of the boys. I called. We in the store now. I called, talked to Terrell, and I asked him what we was looking for. He said it's in the closet. I said, babe, it's in the closet here. It's in the closet. But at the moment, I forgot where I was at. I was like, it's in the closet, babe. You heard me? And she went. She just turned around and was gone.
You real talkative.
I'm like, oh man. I'm like, I'm so sorry. And that aisle was packed with people. I'm like, oh no.
Deep fried
That
make
was
you happy.
embarrassing. Huh?
I said deep fried make you happy.
Oh, why you say that? Because I'm
Because if I
talking.
had a ball this, you wouldn't be saying nothing.
Yes, I would. Oh yeah, because when you're burning it, you be so tender. You just want to eat. You don't want to talk. You don't want to do none of that. You ain't got time for all that. I really like these double dip ones and the cocktail sauce.
Double dip what?
Right? The double dip mussels.
Mm. Tastes like an oyster.
Mm-hmm. What you about that? Yes, I did. Use my tail to get some tartar sauce to put on my shrimp. Yeah. I'm sorry we're not doing too much talking, y'all. But y'all know our motto. When food is good, there's really no need for talking.
That's what you think it is?
Yeah. What you think it is?
I don't know.
Because I knew you.
I ain't said nothing.
Do I think we're going to finish this? No. I don't, because I've been doing QC and even eating little nibbles and stuff, you know, get your roll. So, and then besides, I'm hungry, but I'm not super hungry.
Nope. Ain't watch no interesting TV.
Yeah, lobster, y'all.
Ain't watch no new movie. I've been listening to some new music though.
Mm-hmm.
Now I don't know what made me, just like she said in that song, what you waiting for. I don't know what made me wait to go to the album I went to, because I know it got old. Because the soundtrack in the movie was off the chain, and that's why I looked it up.
What movie it come from?
You serious?
Yeah, I don't know.
50 Shades?
Mm. Well, I just knew that was her.
But this song, this particular song is on the first one and the third one.
Lobster.
Lobster.
Really? Willie? In my lounge voice, Willie? It's so tender it's falling apart.
What?
My lobster.
I prefer my little piece on lobster roll.
Mm-hmm.
You make a salad with that, or do you just put the lobster on there?
That little bitty piece that's in there. I'm good.
I ain't eat nothing. No survivals. I took it all.
Want a piece of this fish?
No, I'm good.
This fish here, Dwayne fried. It is really good. Look at that. My big boys are fried fish and it's fried good.
Big as that boy is, was there any doubt?
You're right. And if y'all don't know, for those of you who don't know who Dwayne is, he's the Blake Asylum on YouTube. Check out his channel.
You cook this first?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Try a piece of mine.
I didn't put this around it, and I didn't season it with authority. Cause I ain't gonna over season it. Cause they have salt in both of these.
You see, I put that in that cocktail sauce.
Mm-hmm.
You know what that means?
No.
It ain't seasoned.
Yeah, because I ain't seasoning it with authority.
Who puts fish in cocktail sauce?
Nobody, I know.
Well, today is gonna happen.
Oh,
That's cool.
that's it.
I was talking about I make all them weird dishes. The nerve. What's weird about coleslaw? Nothing.
That's it.
What, babe?
What you think?
What?
What you think?
You full?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my hip.
That boy fell on the floor.
Don't worry
Don't eat my fish. I want my fish. I don't want that.
So,
Don't eat my fish. I can eat my fish. I can eat my fish later.
Oh. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just do this.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, do that. Cause he actually did. I mean, he seasoned that with authority.
I do.
He
I'm not
really
happy.
did it on that.
cocktail sauce is not good on this.
What is that?
One of them big old mussels.
Yeah, it ain't.
Go for it.
That's why I put it in here.
Ah.
Really?
Oh.
I don't know what
Put
you're
that up,
saying.
please. Like, put that up for me, please. Thank you. This is really good. It was a lot I should have just did, you know.
I might become talkative by Thursday.
Why is it?
Because of the last few videos we've been doing, I ain't been saying nothing.
No, she's just been quiet. I wouldn't say as a church mouse because, nah, she ain't that quiet.
I'm done.
Hey, wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the shrimp up, but we can have everything else. Y'all should be full because y'all just ate. My bad.
I'm a good
Y'all act
boy.
like y'all don't get full. And they had the same thing we had. You think they get full?
No,
but
I'm
they
6 feet. And I weigh
Dwayne,
about
you
120.
this tall, bro. You this tall. Let's be real. You this tall.
No, man. He this tall.
I'm 6 feet and I weigh 120.
You
And everybody that know you.
don't. You
not.
You.
Everybody. Not everybody. Everybody that know you
Oh,
not.
you this tall.
You about 3'6".
3 foot 6.
No,
I'm
Alonzo almost taller than him. Come on.
I'm 4'9". Yeah, how tall Dwayne? 4'9".
I'm 6
Because let's
feet.
be real, you get on your knees to fight Alonzo, he taller than you.
Yeah, for real.
I'm 6 feet and about approximately 120.
Boy, you ain't taller than me, bro.
240.
I ain't tall.
No,
I'm
you
5
not.
feet taller than you. Ain't taller
I
than
could
me.
barely get through the front door.
Because you that wide?
I weigh 120, y'all.
No, you weigh 240.
Boy, stop.
Curtis don't even weigh 120.
Show
That's
them.
why I look like a
Curtis
toothpick.
almost 6 feet.
Everybody in my
Come
family
on.
asks me why do I look like a toothpick.
Curtis pushing 185.
Wait, what?
Okay, look, I was lying. I'm not 185.
Show them.
I'm
I don't
6.
see
I'm
it.
6 feet and
I
approximately
don't see it with
about
Curtis.
190.
Cause he tall.
Yeah, like me.
I'm taller than you, man.
You know, I'm gonna tell you what it is when we get off camera.
Look,
I don't wanna.
Look, I'm taller than Dwayne, man. Look.
Because I'm slouching down.
Stand up
You
straight.
just might be a
Stand up
midget.
straight.
Exactly.
No.
I'm
Not
not
everybody.
152,
Not
but-
everybody is
Man,
meant
look.
to be tall.
I ain't talking.
No, not everybody.
Look,
You ever wish you were tall?
Look, no, back to back.
Sometimes.
That's how.
Nigga,
No,
no,
like that.
No.
I ain't wish I was tall. I just wish I was taller than this.
Huh. I would. Oh, I
You
just
know,
said
at one time I did wish I was tall. Then
Maybe give me.
then
6
when I
more
got
inches.
older, and started doing some things and stuff, I was glad I was short.
Doing what?
What?
it took a dark turn.
Was you climbing in windows?
No.
Was you walking in the trucks?
Nah. Oh, we're not gonna talk about the things you did when you was 12, baby. We're not gonna go there.
Was you
We're not gonna talk
walking
about
up
the
to
stuff-
table and
We're not gonna talk about the things you did when you was 12 years old.
I didn't do that.
We knew you could still walk under under this type of table at 12. We know.
Nah.
Sure. Nah, it's just, you know, when as I got older and I was able to, and I started doing things, I'm not being perverted or anything
You
like
wanna know
that.
something?
But I'm just saying, you know, I was glad to be short. You know, ain't like I had
You wanna
to
know
jump
what?
up to take no ID or nothing like that. You know, what? You had to jump up to take an ID?
Oh, that's cool.
You wanna know something?
What?
You know, even with them 6 more inches, I'll be shorter than most of the people in my family.
What?
Oh yeah.
Dang, wait. You even shorter than your brother.
You know, you should have wanted to be
Oh,
at
dang.
least
No.
at least an inch tall. I
No.
mean, not
How
an inch,
tall
a
is
foot
Uncle
tall.
Uncle Johnny ain't.
Well, at
Uncle
least be
Chuck.
like 5'8",
He's
5'9".
He's
Excuse
5'.
me.
5.
Excuse me, y'all. About
Yeah,
5'8",
but
5'9".
height.
My brother like 5'2", 5'3".
I'm taller than your brother.
Dog.
Nah.
I'm
My
5'6".
sister is 5'4".
Okay.
Wait, all three of y'all short.
All right. Yeah, they're short. I thought y'all knew that.
I think Gilly was taller than that.
Yeah.
Everybody taller than Mel do, so you know both our siblings taller than her. You know, yeah.
But by 3 and 2
What?
inches.
But if you go in my daddy's family and we go to the family reunion, you know how people got to duck down so people in the back could get in the picture?
That's them.
I wouldn't have to duck down to get in the picture.
No.
No, dang, just like this.
No, like this. I like this, man. Look.
No, Dad won't be doing that. No,
I wouldn't have to do that.
No,
no, Dad will be like this.
She could just stand there.
no, like this.
Oh, Dad will be
They
gangster.
be like, everybody stoop down now. Mel, you fine. You
No,
fine.
Dad will be like
You ain't gotta
gangster.
do nothing, Mel.
Dad will be
You
like
fine.
BG. With the
Only people
bandana on
shorter
it.
than me is the
No,
little
no.
kids.
That,
The
and
little
that's, why-
kids.
that's probably why little kids think you a kid. Because you so little.
Like,
And they like my
What?
cousin's kids.
What?
And some of my cousin's
What?
kids are taller than me too.
Damn.
Oh.
wait,
Look, Dad
what?
will be standing there like,
like, B-
Mama, you gotta look.
like BG, he said.
Yeah, they be like, come on, kids, y'all stoop down. Mel, you fine. You fine. No, you ain't got to stoop down. You
Two
fine.
of my cousins are grandparents.
What?
Oh,
You
Lord.
you ain't there yet.
Right.
So,
Two just went to college this year. They'll be freshmen in the fall. Yeah. We spread out. Yeah, seriously. The last two, the babies, the baby cousins, they just graduated high school last May.
No.
wait, what you?
And they're my first cousins,
Oh, yeah.
but their daddies didn't have children till late.
Look at that.
Oh.
No.
Yep. Old boy gonna play football. Old girl just gonna spend her daddy money. Keeping it real. But then again, you know what? I believe my uncle told me she wanted to be a pilot. So she might be going to school for aviation. That's gonna be interesting.
That's what old girl daughter going to school for, to be a pilot for now.
I ain't going to school for that. I'm just going to go straight to that.
Yeah, she's going to school to be a pilot. I don't know what's up with this pilot nonsense. I don't get
Everybody
it.
want to be a pilot now.
Arab, to each his own.
Be up in that sky. I'm too scared of heights for that.
Can't think like that.
Yeah.
You can't think like that going in the air. And you know why I can say that? Because I ain't about to do it. You heard me? I ain't about to do all that. No, I'm not.
I was like the other day, Curtis was talking about the plane was flying so low it was going to crash into the building. I said, well, why would you want to get on the plane then?
It wasn't. Curtis was tripping.
I've been on a plane, it looked like the plane could run on top of the buildings.
What?
It was flying that low.
Ah,
But
nah.
it never touched the
You
building.
look like you better get this plane right.
Yeah, I'll shut up, please. Thank you.
The thing that immersion is like that, you flying at night, you have no idea.
Oh, Lord. Oh.
I love flying at night. If you get the right flight, there's nobody on the plane.
Oh, you go sleep, right?
For real.
Yeah.
If you're fighting long enough.
That's the best.
I remember one night I went to New Orleans,
I'll go to sleep for that hour.
For real. That's the best.
and it was on like, I think 8 people on the plane.
Only 8?
Oh,
Man, I believe you can sit wherever you want, Father.
You can.
I'll do this.
Small guy.
But we was their last like trip for the night though.
Oh, okay.
That pilot and his crew. We was his last trip.
Oh, wait. The pilot
Don't you
has
say
a-
bye or something.
I was
Just
trying
sitting
to.
up here.
You first you said I think I'll be talkative and by
Shut up and
Thursday,
go
but then you
ahead.
started talking. You started telling stories.
Talk about how.
It's okay.
You know.
You
I'm
be
like,
Camera.
I have
It's
to use the
okay.
bathroom. I'm gonna tell you we family, and she started. Oh well, you know, we spread out, and I'm the only one that ain't gotta go in the bath. I'm like, come on, man, I gotta use the bathroom. You heard me? I'm just gonna say it because see, the last time I was being polite and I texted to her. You know what I'm saying? And I'm
I
not
have
gonna
my
text
phone.
it no more because you know what? See, even texting it to her, she'd still went off. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Sorry we ain't finished everything. We still got a whole lot. I'm putting the shrimp up. The boys gonna kill everything else.
On
And
Mel
stuff.
Baby in a few.
Oh, for real? Okay, well. You Jesus. Excuse
Something you
me.
ain't never want to see how.
Not at all. Well, if you about to let
Then
them
it
do
was
this,
in motion.
yeah.
Like-
If you about to let them do this on your channel, they can have the shrimp. I got more shrimp. Come on now. Mark 32 know me. He know Keisha. I got shrimp.
What if
I ain't
Mel
got nothing.
decided
I
to
got
get up and
shrimp.
take Keisha shrimp?
You won't, cause I got enough shrimp that you
How many
you
shrimp you
cannot
got?
eat all that. I still got more of these shrimp. I got the other shrimp with
I'm
the
not
heads
gonna mess
on
with
them.
them. I'm gonna go to, I don't want no head shrimp. What other shrimp you got?
On it, they all in the freezer.
Hmm.
I think
Might go ahead and make me a video with your shrimp.
I got to do it with my shrimp.
Cause I don't have none. Yes, I do.
If I have it, you have it. So what is you talking about?
Yeah, but I don't eat them like you. Then I cook them all and be like,
Anyway, we hope y'all enjoyed this video.
enjoy it. Have a good one,
Have a
y'all.
good one.
Thanks for watching. Till next time, we're gonna push it down and pick you up later. Peace.
And we're going to plant you down and dig you later because I
Hey.
know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You heard me?
What is all that?
It's sweet. It's sweet. Yo, it's sweet. Peace, y'all.
And who said we finished? Who said I ain't
We
got something
out.
else to say?
You don't.